So for these problems, you want to think about this as 60 is really 6 times 10, and 600 is 6 times 100. So we're multiplying 6 times 10 times 6 times 100. And we know that we can multiply numbers in different orders. So we'll take the 6 times the 6 first, and then we'll take the 10 times 100. 6 times 6 is 36. 10 times 100 is 1,000. So now 36 times 1,000 is 36,000. Now you can think of this in a little shorter way. You can just think in your head, I'm going to multiply the 6 times the 6 first. I'm going to get 36, and then I know that we have 10 and 100, and those multiplied together are 1,000. So I'm going to multiply 36 times 1,000, and I'm going to get 36,000. And finally, you can even take another shortcut, and you can think about it as taking your leading digits, 6 times 6, multiplying those, and then counting the trailing zeros. So we have 3 trailing zeros, so we're just going to add on 3 trailing zeros, and we get 36,000. And so that's the same as multiplying by 1,000, because when you multiply by 1,000, you add 3 zeros to your answer. Another example, 20 times 700. We'll use our shortcut now. We'll take 2 times 7 is 14, and we'll count our trailing zeros. We have 3 of them. We'll add 3 trailing zeros, 14,000. And our last example, 5,000 times 90. We'll take our leading digits. 5 times 9 is 45. We'll count our trailing zeros, 1, 2, 3, 4. Add 4 zeros. Our answer is 450,000. When you're taking your sprint, you can answer your answer in this format with the comma, or you can enter your answer without the comma. Either will be correct. So here's your 2 steps for this sprint. 1, multiply leading digits and add trailing zeros. It's that simple. Good luck.